It's a 2015 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Projecting strength and durability and built to back it up, this Silverado 1500 is definitely one book you can judge by its cover. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: automatic transmission, electronic shift on the fly, driver selectable mode, aluminum wheels, streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, rear lip spoiler, gas pressurized shocks, rear parking sensors, and V8 engine. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
Baglier Buick GMC. Browse our inventory online or in person, or swing by our award-winning service department today. You can find us just to the south of downtown Butler on Pittsburgh Road.